How to go live on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your Facebook application here, and it will of course lead you to your home page. Now the next thing that what you want to do next here is on the upper part you will see what's on your mind there. Now if you tap on that, you will see you will be asked to create a post. So here you will see different options. Here you will see photo or video, tag people, feeling or activity, check in, live video. And since we want to do live is you have to tap on the live video there. Now here on live video, as you can see, my camera is turned on, and then what you want to do next is to set everything up. Here you will see your name, and then you will see two. Now if you tap on that, you will see here, so your live will be shared to your story and who can see this post, and then you can actually choose who can see your post there. Just tap on public or tap on friends, and then here, if you're done setting that up, you can actually add for your effects here. If you want to add people or to invite guests, just tap on that, tap on done, and then if you're already set up there, tap on go live, and then wait for it to actually start living. And as you can see, you are currently live on Facebook. And that is all for today. And that is how you go live on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.